See me putting in work, and I stay applying that pressure. I'm going hard for all of my fam, but I stun on for pleasure. Wait, I'm winning, 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 I'm winning. You mad? 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 You mad?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be basically just like an update where I've been. These next few videos are gonna just explain what the hell I've been up to since Curl Fest. First things first, so my outfit is from Forever 21, the whole thing. So I have this skirt that I got like yesterday, I think it was. Just like a cute little, and then I have this top which I got a few months back, which I'll never be wearing again. Basically because of this, like, do y'all see this mess? The other sleeve is messed up too. And these both happened today. Like, I'm not even mad because I feel like when you shop at Forever 21, you're not really shopping for quality, you know? It's like a one and done, like I need an outfit for tonight. But anyways, yeah, the necklace is also from Forever 21. So anyways, I'm filming from my like dirty room, but, well, let me not say dirty because I feel like dirty is like dirt and like dirty clothes that you've like worn everywhere and like open food. And it's just like nasty, but my room isn't nasty. It's just messy because it's a brand new apartment. Yes, I just got a brand new apartment in Brooklyn. I'm so excited. I'm about to give you guys a tour soon. But like I said, I'm not going to show you my whole room because it's messy. I don't have any storage anywhere, so like no dresser. I don't even have a bed. Like, it's, you know, a lot. I've been in the apartment since Saturday. I moved in on Saturday, September 1st. So I've been in the apartment for a few days now because now, what is it, Thursday? So it's been almost a week. My best friend helped me move in. She came with me all the way from DC, like on the bus with my suitcases and like helped me go get my storage and everything. That's my sis. So I'll put in a few clips of like basically what our weekend was like. I'll insert it here.
Don't know the boxes, we just moved in. I'm gonna be here all the time for open calls. I got a place to stay now. Let's just, can we put it out there that I'm ready? I've been ready.
Welcome. We got two sides. You gotta climb up that ladder to go to the other side.
Where the nigga stay? Where the nigga trap? Where the boy at?
Smells so good.
Hey Brooklyn. Hey Soho.
We're not in Soho.
Hey. Let's get some outfit details. Let's get a spin. Let's get a
Mystique Boutique.
Mystique Boutique. Zaria's Closet. And Top Shop.
We're trying to find some food because we just went to a little party.
A day party. It wasn't dead, but it wasn't lit yet.
It was like a comeback later.
Right, yeah.
Like,
it just started, so we're gonna go back later. Zaria, where are we?
What is it called?
Soul Sip.
Yes. Oh, that's cute. Well, so I went to school in the city, but I just moved away because I don't want to dorm. So now I live in Bushwick, but I just moved here like 2 days ago. So, yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So my daughter, she owns the cafe. She's 22 years old, but she's not here right now. She started taking a break because she was, you know, up earlier.
Okay. She's only 22.
What's her name?
Her name is Francesca Cheney. Francesca Soul Cheney. Soul Sips is
Wow, that's so cool. I'm glad we came in here.
I know. Thank you. I think it's illegal to just be out drinking like this.
Whoa.
Are you done talking?
get much closer because I got my seatbelt on because I'm supposed to. Safety first. We're going so late. We have to go there. We're probably gonna have about an hour. And then we're going to have to figure out where else we're going because we're late. It is 4:41 and we're in. Get your tickets now at power1051fm.com. This is my song. So now I'm going to get into the rest of the video. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of the apartment, starting with the kitchen. So this is basically what it looks like as soon as you walk in. So this is our kitchen. I freaking love this kitchen, you guys. Like, I had to flip the camera for this. Okay, so yeah, so this is the fridge. I do wish it was on the other side that like wasn't by the wall because it kind of like opens this way and that's a little bit weird, but it's cute, so I don't care. These are our cabinets and everything. We even have some like above the fridge. And I put my cereal in there and stuff. This is our little stove. You know, it's New York, so everything's really small. But, you know, we don't really need it to be that big, so I don't really mind it. So this is our little stove. More storage down here. And our little dishwasher. We kind of really just use it as like a drying rack because we just wash our dishes when we're done and then we put it in the dishwasher to dry and then we put it in the cabinet. We put mainly like seasonings and stuff. This is like my little section right here. You can probably tell. So you know that's me. But anyway, yeah, and then we have our little sink. I think that this design is like really cute. I love this back wall here because it's like it has this marble detail and it's so cute. I love our little apartment, you guys. I will introduce you guys to my roommates soon, hopefully. I have 3 roommates. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath apartment in Brooklyn. I have 3 other roommates and we met online and I think that's crazy, but I'll try to do like a roommate tag video about it. If you guys have any questions that you want to ask, you can put them in the comments about the apartment, my roommates, and then we can just make a video and address all of those. But for now, continuing with the tour. So this is just like a little closet next to the kitchen. I actually originally thought that it was gonna be like a cupboard to put food, but it's not. It's literally just a closet. There's no like shelves for real, except for the top, which is how a regular closet would be. So yeah, this is the first room. This is JD's room. This is Justice's room. I freaking love her doors, you guys. Like, isn't that so cute? And when she opens her doors, or when all of us open our doors, this whole living room area gets so much daylight. It's crazy. Like, it's so pretty. This is my room. I told you guys I wasn't gonna really show it to you because it's a mess, but I'll give you a little sneak peek. Yeah, so I have like a whole bunch of boxes everywhere. We all have these ceiling to floor windows, which I freaking love. I told you guys I don't have a bed yet, so this is like my mattress pad stuff on the floor. This over here is basically like my little vanity setup for real, like with my little ring light and stuff. Yeah, it's ghetto, but it's just for now. This last room is Nikki's room. And so now onto the bathrooms, which is like another part that I love. I just love this whole apartment for real, like. So this is one of the bathrooms. We have like our sink, mirror, toilet, and this one has a tub. And I love the inside of it. And that's like our little shower head. And then the next one is right next to it. Same kind of thing. I love the sink in this one, even more than the other one. And then we have toilet, and then this one is a shower. So one has a tub, one has a shower. I think that's really cool because like you might want to just take a quick shower or just do like a bubble bath. I love to do bubble baths. So yeah, that's basically it. That's my whole apartment. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, I'm gonna give you guys an update when we actually furnish it and get it together. But I freaking love it. I love all the, like, you see this natural daylight? I don't got no ring light on right now. Like, this is all the sun, okay? But anyways, yeah, that was pretty much it. If you have any questions, like I said, for me or my roommates, then definitely leave them in the comments. I'm hoping to make like a roommate tag video with them soon. Definitely let me know if you have any questions. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. Any videos you want to see, anything you're excited about. I'm excited to record now that I'm in this new place because I feel like now I'm not in a dorm, so like I have space to actually do what I want to do. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you. Bye.